guys, is this what I think it is? Let's unbox the new DJI OSMO Pocket. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. Here's the memory card. And here it is. The OSMO Pocket. Oh, yeah. So here's the DJI OSMO Pocket, including with the memory card. But you have to buy the memory card separately. Oh, I think I got it. Let's open it up. Dad, I need the knife. I just rip it and ooh. Here we have the Osmo Shield warranty, and here we have more information on their website. Shaking, shaking. Here we have, guys, the DJI OSMO Pocket. So here's the OSMO Pockets, and here we have the holder, and there's some stuff in here. So let's see what's inside. Here's the wrist strap, batteries, I think. And here are some instructions. So here we've got the charging cable and 2 accessories for your phone. Here we have the OSMO Pocket, the wrist strap. We have plugs for an Android and iOS device. We have a USB-C charging cable and the holder for the OSMO Pocket. So let's turn this device on and see how it works. Let's turn the thing on and see what it does. Chinese, I don't speak Chinese. So I turned it on and it wants to tell me if I wanted to do it in English. Where's Tagalog? Tagalog? Where's
I don't think it's on there. Probably not on there.
Tagalog?
I know, it's probably only English now.
I need Tagalog. So on the screen, it says device is not activated. But when I click the screen, it says device not activated, connect to DJI Mimo. Mimo, boop, boop, boop. From Finding Dory. Since I have an iPhone, I'm gonna plug this one in. So I slided this thing out. So now I'm gonna slide that in. And plug this into the charger. Boom. You have to log in with your DJI information, but I don't work with DJI. So you have to log in with your DJI account. If you don't have one, you can create one. Let me see. Okay, I'm done. So now it's downloading the latest firmware. So I have to put an SD card in there, which means I have to unplug it. What? Card is in. I'm going to hit install, and it's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Oh, it's only at 96. Now the camera. Oh my gosh. I drew a square around my dad's face. And look at this, I'm not even. Oh, warning. So there it is, guys. The new DJI OSMO Pocket. So that was it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Bye. See you next time on my channels.